Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to take you through grade 10 pathway selection. If you're new to my channel, you're welcome and kindly don't forget to subscribe. So open your Chrome browser, then type selection.education.go.ke, then click enter. So you type like this, then you click enter. Then this page will open, and then you go to schools. So we have senior schools and junior schools. So you click this one for senior, and then you select the region. So let me choose Rift Valley, and then the counties that are found in Rift Valley, Trans Nzoia, then sub-county, Trans Nzoia East. So this one, after doing that, it will show all the schools that are found in Trans Nzoia East. And remember, the learners are supposed to select 12 schools in which they're supposed to select 3 from their sub-county. So if you want to get the list of those schools, you just select at this point. We have this one, Trans Nzoia East. Then we have now the schools that are found within the Trans Nzoia East sub-county. And then they're also supposed to select 6 boarding schools that are found outside the county. So you'll just select either the region, and then you select maybe a different county. If it is West Pokot, you click there, then the schools will be displayed there. Around 10 pages. So if you want to go to the next, you just click number 2 like that to show the next page. You also click 3 like that. So if you want details for each school, we have the cluster. Like this one, Sibanga, it belongs to cluster 4. And then we have like this one, St. Paul's Sinoko, it belongs to cluster 3. So if you want to, you can click here, see more, to view other details. So when you click more, it will show the pathways. We have STEM, social sciences, arts and sports. So these are the pathways that are offered in this school. Then you scroll down to subject combinations offered. We have biology, geography, sports and recreation. So these are the three subjects that are offered. The ones that you can select, the other ones are compulsory. We have biology. This one is under arts and sports science. We have biology, history, and citizenship, sports and recreation. Thank you for your time. See you in the next video.